Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to factory reset in Xiaomi 14T. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. After open settings, you can see the option about phone. Now click on it and then scroll down in last. And here you can see the option factory reset. Now click on factory reset and then scroll down, and here you can see the option erase all data. Now click on erase all data and here enter your correct pin code and then click on next. Your data will be erased. So this is the way to factory reset in Xiaomi 14T. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.